Okay, guys, the foolery is real. Can you say utter mayhem right now? This is just, oh my God. I just can't believe the state of my living room right now. I'm like, how did this happen? It was like I left out of the door. It was beautiful and clean. And I came back over the weekend and poof, the cord blew up in my living room. That's what had happened. That's what I'm gonna say happened anyways. But this is what happens when your world just runs one event into the other. I am fresh off of a shopping haul here, and I had the hubby pulled out boxes for me to begin packing away fall here, and I picked up some toast to do that. And in the midst of that, it rolled over into orders coming in for the holiday, for clients, for events. And then I've been styling trees for other clients. So I'm just, you guys, my worlds have collided. Everything has just come crumbling down to this moment. And I have to figure out how to get my life together, because this right here is so ungodly. The Lord is not pleased with this living room right now. I cannot believe it. But guess what? It's not the end of the world. I just want to show you that life happens and everything is not perfect and pristine. And even if it's not, you just have to roll up your sleeves, get you a drink of choice, something to lift your spirits, honey, and just get cracking. So that's what I'm about to do. I'm not even a coffee drinker like that, but tonight I need all the energy I can get. So I have some, hazel mocha latte brewing right now, because I'm about to roll up my sleeves and get this living room whipped into shape and prepare to work on fall, remove fall, and usher in Christmas. So okay, guys, so really quick tip. I do a lot of online shopping, especially with Z Gallery and maybe like my event planning stores, and they oftentimes will wrap the glass pieces in like this wonderful bubble wrap. So if you don't want to go out to the store and purchase bubble wrap on your own, just save the pieces that you get from when you get mail-in orders for glass pieces and wrap your fragile items in that. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to use, I have some bubble wrap, but I like this because it's a little bit thicker. So for my big glass pieces that I don't want to get broken, I'm going to wrap them inside here. So don't toss it, you know, just kind of store it aside and use it to like package your, that's what I do, use it to package like my seasonal decor. Like I'll take this large one here and just wrap it up really, really nice and securely in bubble wrap that I received. I mean, you can get it in the stores, but I have not seen it like this thick in the stores. And so this is kind of like a tip that I use, you guys. And so this will be securely stored into the next season. So I'll put some on top, I'll lay some on the bottom, and then I will like just lay this on top. So quick tip, you guys, on how to store your seasonal decor. Now moving back to the regularly scheduled program. Okay guys, so as you can see, fall has been removed. I removed all of the pumpkins, everything fall related, except with the exception of the pillows. I'm gonna store them away in my linen closet because I don't want them to get damaged in storage, but everything has been removed. Even on the entryway table, I have removed all the beautiful glass pumpkins, wrapped everything securely and packed them all away. But I wanted to point out, you guys, one of the benefits of doing a fall tree, it helped me to get a jump start on my holiday decor. The color scheme that I use, you guys knew, was the, I did the glamorous pumpkin patch and the teals and the golds or aquas and champagnes, and that's kind of my signature color. I love it. So that's something that I know I use year after year. So that's a hint to you guys. If you have a favorite color or a theme in your home, it's easier to style or design season to season using your color, so you don't have to deal with the expense of purchasing all new items unless you just so happen to want to. So what I've done, you guys, is I've removed, again, all of the fall pumpkins and everything have been stored away, but I wanted to show you how some of the items that I use from fall are going to transition into my Christmas this year. So I have my floral stems here. They will definitely be reused. I'm incorporating the pine cones. I've hauled for you guys those beautiful pine cone ornaments. And this right here, you guys, I just made this a little DIY pick. I used some kebab skewers, inserted it into some pine cones, and there you have it. Absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to reuse these, repurpose these for Christmas, as well as the other floral picks. Now the ribbon and deco mesh, I'm not so sure, but even Sir Charles will get transported to another area in my home. But again, it's already up. All I have to do is move it to its rightful place and begin styling. So that is another tip. So let's begin with the Christmas styling. Oh, real quick, let me share this. I like to sort out things, like things together. So as you see here, I'm pulling the picks out of the tree and I'm just kind of sorting them out with each stem together. So that is another little tip. So when I'm styling, I can just reach for exactly what I want for the tree. So there, I am already removing those from Sir Charles, and he is going to get a new home. Okay guys, Sir Charles is gone, and now I have everything just that I took off just sorted out over here, and I am so excited to be putting up my new tree. You guys, I already have a flock tree, but when I saw these, I was like, I think I want to add these to my Christmas collection. These are the 7-foot flock trees from QVC, you guys. It's the Bethlehem tree, and when I saw it on TV, it was absolutely amazing. So I've opened it up and I am going to add it to my rotating tree stand. I've had these for several years, you guys, and now they are available at Hobby Lobby. So I absolutely love having that. So it comes with a beautiful stand, but you know I'm extra, so I've got to have my rotating stand. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that set up and then show you guys what. So here is when I noticed that the tree would not fit into the rotating stand, that it has to stay in the stand that came with it. Although I am disappointed, I'm going to go ahead and get the tree all set up. Now you guys, I love this tree. It has LED lights, and I believe there are 1,500 LED lights. I will place it on the screen in case I am saying that incorrectly, but as you can see, that's my victory dance. It's so pretty. I'm loving the tree. Very, very well made. And so I'm taking the time, you guys, to just shape or fluff the tree. That is very important, whether it's brand new or 10 years old. Take the time to style your tree, and you will see a massive difference in it, because anytime you get it shipped from a store of any kind, it is not going to come the way you see it on the pictures. You have to put your hands to it, style it, and get it in position. So that's part number one. And what I love about this tree, one of the number one sellers for me, is this feature right here, you guys. This nice innovative pole insert for the lights. Watch this. I was amazed. Love it, love it, love it. I was sold that I don't have to ever worry about connecting cords for the tree, or I don't have to worry about a light bulb going out. It would never go out. Now, although I have fluffed the tree out and I've got it positioned, I will confess this tree was not beefy enough for me in this particular space. It will find another home, but to see what takes its place, you guys have to come back for the rest of the Deck the Hall series. Now, if you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. You don't want to miss this amazing holiday season series. It's called the Deck the Hall series, and I will be jam-packed with so much Christmas and holiday decor ideas. So please hit that button. My tried and true, you know that I love and appreciate you. I thank you for all of your continued support. So until the next video, you guys, I want you all to be inspired and have a blessed and most beautiful, beautiful day. Smooches.